Fans that asked to see my Thomas train set, this is for you. This is my engine spinner. I have Arthur, Frank, Gator, and more. I'll pull a couple out to name a few. Gator. There's news for Thomas fans at the end of this video. In good condition. This is my 2012 Tommy Wooden Railway Thomas. The face just looks in my opinion. People say it's horrible. I'm gonna do unboxing and up Elmo when it comes. And guess what? I'm gonna unbox a 2009 Wooden Thomas too. I have like Percy. If I can get her. There we go. Here's Percy. This is the Tommy version of Percy. Pretty nice. The face is a vast improvement from the 2003 face. It kind of looks a little bit too off. Here I have 1992 Winnie Incredible. You'd say, that's insane because you're just 9 years old. This is my Emily from 2005. Most of these were eBay. I've got most of these. Like here's Mighty Mac. Nice. I got D261, aka Class 40. This is from 1999. Here I have the Mattel with, let me take it out of camera for a second. Here I got the 1999 to 2002 Edward. This one says 2001 in the wheels. Tell me if this is a factory error or not. Edward's name is on the bottom, and his name is not on the bottom of the tender. Tell me if that's a factory error in the comments section. Here's Gold Thomas. Yeah, I played with him a lot. I'm gonna show you. I have like Arthur. I got most of these on eBay and found some of them laying around at Goodwill. This is what